viewers, welcome to Funwax Art and Craft. Thanks for all the love that you have poured in till now by watching my previous videos. Keep watching, stay tuned for the next videos, and please subscribe to the channel along with pressing the bell icon. Today we are going to learn this elegant yet so simple crafting technique known as decoupage using Mod Podge glue and a simple biscuits ka box, cookies ka box. We are going to convert it into this elegant looking, smart looking box. So are we all ready to refine this simple cookies box into this elegant looking, smart looking, yet so simple white colored box with such sweet little flowers over it? You can also watch few other decoupage videos in my channel. Now this one is a little different from others. Here I have used a cookies box and I'm going to paint it using a spray paint. Spray paint is easily available at paint shops, or you can either get it at some craft shops also. So here keep the box and then paint it. Please paint it very carefully. Don't allow any child to be near you. It's good to wear gloves when you are painting. I didn't have any, so I'm not wearing them, and I have a habit of painting it using this, so I do it very carefully. Cover the place wherever you are doing, cover it nicely with papers, and then keep the box, the cookies box, and paint it using the spray paint. The smell of the paint is quite toxic, so please prefer painting it in an outside open area. Cover all the nooks and corners, all the edges. Nicely cover it. Usually you need to apply 2 layers of this paint. So accordingly, just wait and let it dry off, and then you can do the second layer as well. So now after the second layer dries off, the box is going to look something like this. Now we need a brush, Mod Podge glue, and decoupage napkin. The decoupage napkin has 3 layers, so the upper layer has to be removed off very carefully because it is a very thin napkin, and after removing the 2 layers, bottom layers, it becomes more thin. Carefully cut the design that you want it on your container. You can use a scissor to cut it, and sometimes you can even use a wet brush to detach it from the main page. So these small flowers I'm going to detach then, and then we are going to put them in the tiny corners of our container. Here one thing you have to be very careful about: the base of the napkin gives you the color of the base that is required on your container. So my napkin is of white color, so the white is the paint that I have used on my container as the base color. So whichever color your napkin is, please use the base color as the same, so that the napkin gels in it. All the images that you want, I have taken here some roses and some birds on branches. So we are going to mix and match them different corners of the container. So here I am taking Mod Podge gloss using a brush. Very carefully we are going to brush the paper over the container. It has to be very slow process. Sometimes while this process is going on, even if you are doing it very carefully, the napkin can get teared off, as in my case. See over here, I have teared it off, but no worries, we are going to paste another napkin over it and the design is going to gel into the previous one. So these things you have to think and do while you are glossing it and while you are pasting it. Using this technique is a very relaxing, very calming technique, so do it very nicely. So here I am putting a bird over my flowers, and now you can never even tell that the napkin was torn. So this is the way you can gel 2 sheets into one, and no one ever knows what happened to the previous one. I hope you all like my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends. Leave a comment for me in the comment section below and do press the bell icon for further notifications. Keep on pasting the images that you want on your lid or maybe on the container. It's the way you want it to be. So here I am going to paste these roses and then small tiny buds of these roses here and there. You can paste the gloss at the bottom and paste the napkin over it, or you can keep the napkin over the container and then paste the gloss over it. Both ways it works the same. So here my lid is ready. Now we move on to the container, and this is how I'm going to paste the main flower and then the birds over it. And slowly and steadily we are going to rotate the container and make a very elegant design over the container. I paste a very little glue at the bottom of the napkin, and then I paste the picture over it and apply the gloss over the napkin so that it gels very nicely into the container. Once it dries, it gives a very nice effect and it looks elegant at the places you want to place it. The corner in your house, a very authentic beauty is added to that corner. Do try it, and I'm sure that you're going to love the process of doing it, and then you're even going to love the process of keeping it in the place you want to. Because I am loving the process. I was afraid of this process, but still I have started doing it, and now each day I find some time and make something or the other using this decoupage napkin and this Mod Podge glue. Now here the pasting of the napkin is over and the container is ready for the next step. You can add colors to it, you can do little bit of dot painting over it, or maybe add some names as I have added to my container. I have used some permanent markers, black, blue and red, and added some handmade flowers and some names to the box. This gives an elegant look to my box, and I'm going to keep it in a corner where it is going to add beauty to my house. I'm just rotating the container so that you can have an idea of what all you can write, or maybe the way you can decorate your box. So this is the final look of my box. I hope you all like it. If yes, please let me know in the comment section below. Do leave a comment for me so that I can understand what else I need to add into my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Happy crafting!